Hello, my dear lovely students of class 3. How are you all, children? Hope you all are doing well. I am Vidya Rani, your English teacher. So, children, today again I have come up with a video for you all, that is from Gulmohar book, Chapter 5, The Golden Bird. Okay, children, now before we start with the story, let me introduce you to this chapter. This chapter is, children, about the golden bird. Golden color bird, which was kept in the palace by the king in a golden cage. And later on, when it is set free and left in the forest, how does its nature change? How does this golden bird get mixed with the other animals? This is the chapter all about. So, children, let us start with this lovely story with Chapter 5, The Golden Bird. Hope you all will enjoy this story, children. So just put your hands, where am I reading? Let us start with the first paragraph, children. There was once a king who had a golden bird in a golden cage. Every day, someone in the palace gave her food and water and groomed her fine yellow feathers. And each day the bird sang for the king. Now, this paragraph is telling children that there was a king who had kept a golden bird. Golden bird means what, children? Golden color bird. Okay, which was kept in a golden cage by that king. And every day, someone in that palace gave her food. Gave food to whom, children? To that golden bird. And even water. And that person used to groom her fine yellow feathers. Feathers was golden in color, and that person used to groom. Groom means what, children? Groom means to brush that feather. Okay? To brush and clean that feather. That is the meaning of groom. Okay? And each day, what did the bird do? The bird sang. Sang for whom, children? For the king. Okay? Because she was taken care so nicely. So every day she used to sing for the king. Okay, children? Now put your fingers to the next paragraph, children. But as time passed, the king began to feel sorry for the bird. It's not right, he thought, to hold a bird in a cage. So he told his men to set her free. So, children, as time passed by, okay, now what did the king started feeling? He felt sorry for the bird. Why, children? Because the bird was caged, was kept in that cage. The bird should be free, no, children? So this king started feeling sorry for this bird, this golden bird. And he asked, and he asked to himself, it's not right. He thought, what did he think, children? He thought that it was not the right thing done by that king for the bird. He shouldn't have kept the bird in the cage. So he told his men to set her free. Now when he felt sorry for the bird, then he told his men to set free that bird, to let that bird fly from the cage. Put your fingers to the next paragraph, children. The men took the cage deep into the forest, set it down, opened the door, and went away. Now what did the men do? The men took that cage, and in that cage was who, children? That golden bird. Okay? Set it down, opened the door, and went away. The men, what did they do? They opened the door of the cage and they went away to the palace, back to the palace. The golden bird hopped out. Now what did the golden bird do? It hopped out. Hopped out means what, children? Have you seen the bird? It starts jumping, okay? How does it walk? It starts hopping. That is called hopping. How the birds walk, that is called hopping. She looked around her. She was hungry. Now this bird looked around the forest because the bird was hungry. After a while, she saw a monkey swinging from a tree. When she was feeling hungry, after some times, she saw whom, children? A monkey. A monkey was swinging from a tree. Okay? Hello there, said the monkey. Who are you? Now the monkey asked question to that golden bird. That who are you? Give me your introduction. The bird tossed her head and said, I am the golden bird. Now the bird shaked her head, okay? Shaked her head and said that I am a golden bird. Don't you know me? She was very much proud of herself that everyone used to call her golden bird. Okay? I can see you are new to the forest, said the monkey. Do you want to see the best places to feed? Now the monkey said that I can see that you are new to this forest. You are very new. You are fresh to this forest. No one knows you. And can I help you in finding out the places where you can get your food? Okay, children? Now the monkey wanted to help this golden bird. Now to this, can I help you? When the monkey said, just see what the bird replied. What can a monkey teach me? Replied the bird. And you have such a funny face. Have you seen my beautiful beak? She added. Now when the monkey said that I will help you in finding the places you can get food. To that, she gave the answer that what can a monkey teach me? What will this monkey teach me? And you have such a funny face, she said. Just see your face, monkey. What a funny face you have. Have you seen my beautiful beak? Beak means what, children? Have you seen the bird's beak? Yes, you must have seen the beak. Okay, she added. She was very much proud of her beauty. So she added that, what funny face you have, monkey, and have you seen my beautiful beak? Do as you like, said the monkey, and he swung off into the trees. Now the monkey said, do whatever you feel like. Now I am not going to help you at all. And he went off swinging into the trees. Sometimes later, the golden bird heard a hissing noise in the grass and saw a snake. Now, few hours later, this golden bird heard a hissing noise. Hissing noise, who makes, children? Snakes. Okay? Hissing noise came from where, children? From the grass. Okay? And there she saw a snake. Okay? She saw a snake there. By that noise, she could make that the snake was there. Up till here, I end this video, children. We will continue this same very story in the next part, that will be part 2 of chapter 5, The Golden Bird. In that, I will tell you about what the snake told her and what did she reply to it, and how many more animals she met in the forest. Till then, children, keep on reading the story so that your reading skill improves. Take care, children. Bye.